Hello everyone and welcome to weekly analysis about gold. And today we are going to do a weekly analysis. Uh, as you can clearly see that we are on a weekly time frame, weekly chart. So let's get on the trades. Okay. So here you can clearly see that market has already break its high, and now it's going to the all-time high. It has already created the all-time high, as we have marked it as the all-time high, and this is X. X means the market is ranging right in the weekly analysis. If we go on a daily and everything, so market is ranging between this. What we are expecting right now from market is, as you can clearly see, the market has created this one and then it has gone to all-time high, and as it has already broken this line on a lower time frame, we will see that the support is broken. Then we can clearly see a downside move. If market breaks this X level, the range level, we are expecting market to test this area. Reason for this is that you know that there's a change of vector happens, and after that this is the thing. This is, sorry, I have marked it as this one, but this is actually this one. Just give me one sec. Okay, so this is something, and I'm expecting right now from market, as you know, that if we mark the Fibonacci, we will get exactly what I'm saying, that this is a golden area, 0.705 and 0.7. These are the golden area after 0.618. These are the golden area from where we can expect the rejection to happen if market comes down to this area. Obviously, market is pretty bearish. Nobody expect what the next move of the gold is going to happen. So we are obviously we do our analysis and for that. But this is the area from where we are expecting market to come down and tap this area, and after that it can go all time high, or either it can poke it. And right now the main thing is that it has to break this range area. The market is ranging right between this, so it has to either break this area, and after that we can clearly see that a downside move to here, and we will look for some supplies. After that the market will tap this area. So this is the weekly which we are getting. Now let's move to the daily and daily time frame. On a daily time frame, there's a support or order block, whatever you want to say. This is the thing which market obviously has mitigated, but the wick has been closed right below, not the body, so it is still valid, and market tap this area, and after that we see the again the move on the upside direction, and it's the last low, or we can say the liquidity area, from where if market came down then we will see. But right now this is the main area from market still is holding up, and we want to see the market to reject this area. On a 4-hour time frame, if we go on a support and resistance, if you look after the support and resistance, we can clearly see that this is from where the market is holding on its support. One tap, second tap, but it has already liquidated. So I'm expecting market to break this area, and after that we can clearly see a rejection over here, and after that a downside move. Okay. So this is where we are going to see the support, and for resistance obviously we have this area. This is the major area of the resistance area which I'm going to market, as market has tried multiple time over here. So this is some area the market has came. Okay, obviously comes down, up, again down, and then again we're expecting a downside. No, on this thing. Let's move to 1 hour and or a smaller time frame for much better picture for trade setup. As we go on a daily time frame, or sorry, 1 hour time frame, we have just to identify the area. Okay, so market has swept the liquidities which was building right over here. There was a plenty time market obviously 1 time, 2 time has rejected this area, and on the upside direction it still is building up, but on a lower time frame you will see that this is the liquidity which has been swept, but this is not the area. Okay, so on a 1 hour time frame, if you look at the chart, and this is something from where I'm expecting market to reject after coming down, and we can get some retracement from here, and then after that update. Reason for this is why I'm saying this area is simple as that. We follow our rules in the way we trade. Created a low. It's a new, so I'm just going to mark again draw it. So the way the news react and the wicks that created a news, I don't see them. If the body is closed here, then I will take it. To this, then obviously market is ranging, creating some good demand zone, and then an impulsive move downside, and this. People will say why you don't take a trade on over here. It's a demand area, as a clearly a demand area market. Market has created something. Why you don't take trades on it? I believe I have taken the trade, but if I'm not, then that's a different case. But I probably haven't taken on Monday. On Monday, I have not taken the trade. Yeah, I believe. Yeah. But this is not the area from where I'm expecting. But obviously, it has rejected from this area to around 100 pips. So if I have taken it on a smaller time frame, we might get a trade over here, but it's just a retracement trade, not a proper that market could go up. Reason for that, this is the major area. Market is consolidating, and obviously then impulsive move happens. This is not the exactly impulsive because we can clearly see the rejections over here. But there is nothing stopping over here right now, and this is not the rejections. These are just a clear impulsive move. So if market broke this area, I have already marked this area as a trade. If you go on a Telegram page, we have cancelled the trade, and the trade was given right over there, which will be again given the same trade. We will give the same trade. You can go on a Telegram and watch that we have given, and after that we have marked it cancelled because market again goes up. So right now this is the area from where I'm expecting a rejection of a market. Just I'm going to drop so that it will be much easy for you. Okay, this thing, and after that I am expecting again market to come over here. Not over here, but I am expecting till 150 pips we can secure it, and after that this can happen. But obviously market can reject and then goes up because this is a major area from where I am expecting market to reject, as you can clearly see that. And if I'm going to mark it as from here right over here, just give me a second. Just over here, market has rejected here, but not these are just broken. So this is something which I'm expecting right now from market. And if we go on all about a supply area, you want to trade a supply zone. So on a 1 hour time frame, there's nothing much better because we have already traded this area. Remember our last trade on Friday, which was around 150 pips, and pretty good trade. So we have traded this area. It was a clear supply zone. Reasons was why we took the trade is on a smaller time frame. That I have another video of it on a market recap, which we will have. But right now on the weekly analysis, as you can clearly see that market will have to tap this area, and again we can see a rejection on a 15-minute time frame. Let's see what happens on 15-minute time frame. As you can clearly see that there was a liquidity which was building over right over here. Multiple time on market was ranging clearly. After that it broke the lower, and obviously people were trapped in the buy side, and they were thinking that market will go up, obviously break this area. But no, there is something that is holding the market, because the reason was there was a news. It was not that much bigger news, but news has affected it, and it gives the support to go upside. But obviously the market was pretty bearish, so we have to look for the bearish side. We're just going with our analysis, which we do, and on a 5-minute time frame. The trade was given on exactly on a 5-minute time frame, not a 15-minute time frame. If you can see that, and the trade was given on right over here, from where we can see the market tap and it goes down, and obviously break this liquidity area which was building right over here. And this was some sort of a liquidity which market obviously tapped. So again there was an entry over here. If you can clearly see that this was the entry area. Somebody has taken this trade, so there was something. Usually we don't give this out that it's a breakout trade, but if somebody has taken it, they just have to put their trade right over here. As you can see that the market tab, and just put your stop loss on over here, and yeah, goes down, it goes again 150 pips. So we have already stopped out because we were not expecting market to move down and break this area. I was expecting market to stop at this area, and that's why we give the trade, we close our trades right over there, as we have to. It was a Friday and we were not risking, because on Friday usually the market goes up and creates some new directions. So yeah, this is what our analysis is, and the major support resistance area, which if somebody is asking that if this has to break. So right now on the major time frame, on a 15-minute time, I'm just going to tell you, because I'm looking for a bear side. That's why I'm not going for the what if this broke upside. Maybe it can break because gold is unexpected. This is a major resistance area which I'm expecting a market break this area. Then I'll be definitely looking for some buy. If market break, then I will be looking buys. Yeah, this is a major area of market. If it's broke this area, if market rejects something like this, because it's clearly creating a pattern. If you can see that on a 15-minute time frame, this is completely a big range. If you see this, this is a big range which market is in which the market is going on, a complete range. Okay, so what if market breaks this range? There's a supply area, demand zone, which is waiting down below for it to come and tap this area. I'm marking it as a supply area. Oh, demand zone, sorry. Uh, just getting confused. I'm marking it as a demand zone from where I'm expecting market. It is creating something like ranging and broking it. What I'm expecting currently, it will do something like this. Then where is the major area? I believe this can be the major area or this, but I'm expecting something like this happen, and then this happen, then this happen, and this happen. Okay, this happen. Buyers will get trapped, and then this happen. Why I have done this is the reason, because obviously supply just makes it this. This is the reason. Only reason is this. If market does something like that, look for some supply over a demand over here, and then look for some buyers. So here's the supply here, and I'm looking. Currently, I'm bullish on the overall trend, but right now I'm looking for some bearish move. Reasons are this one. If market break this range area, clearly I am for the, what I can say, daily bias will be changed to my bearish side. If market break this area, this is the area where market is holding it. If you go on a daily and weekly, obviously I marked it. So this is the area which market is holding. If it breaks, then this is a clear vision which we're expecting market to come down, and obviously we will hold this trade till it break the all-time high. On a smaller time frame, we will look some good entries, and we will definitely hold it for 500 pips with 0.1 lot, maybe a small lot size. So it will be a good trade. And yeah, this is the weekly analysis about gold. Now I'm going to do analysis about GBPJPY. Reasons are I'm holding it for something as market is breaking the high and low, and there's not much good confidence going on with the GBPJPY. That's why I'm holding it there. So the market, I don't know what is the reason. Either Japan is going to do something, or pound is in UK something is happening, but market is just unpredictable right now on GBPJPY. It's better to stay away from there. And obviously gold is going pretty good, so we will be doing gold. And obviously this month and next month I believe we will be doing gold. I hope in July we will get back to JPY, or maybe this month, but right now currently we are not looking at, we are just going with gold. And if you want any another pair that we have to add, and you want that, you should give a trade on that if it's good, like Euro JPY or Euro USD, JBP USD. We usually don't trade that. But if you want something like a secondary trade where we will get a good pips, so definitely just mention it in comments or mention in Discord or anything, that please do the analysis about it. So next week we will be adding those analysis, and obviously we will trade those also if you want, because personally we trade only gold and JPY. But now we are holding on JPY and just going to trade gold. So yeah, this is all the weekly analysis about gold, and let's come to the calendar, which I forgot. So next week there are multiple news. So yeah, Monday there's obviously two news going on in the market, and it's about it's at 6:45. I don't know what is the time showing. It's Karachi, but it's showing wrong time. I believe it's not 4:11. Another time. Again, I'm just going with some another time zone. Just go with the UK time zone. That will be much better. What is the UK time zone, man? There it is. Okay, so it's upgraded. Yeah. So on 2:45 p.m. London time, there are some one news, and after that on 3 p.m. there will be another news, which will be at after stocks open, 15 minutes after the New York session open, New York stock session open. So yeah, we will be looking after this, and I don't think there's much going to be affected because the forecast is pretty much same. So we'll be looking after this news, and on Tuesday there is another jobs opening news. 3 p.m. means it will be another after the stocks open, and yeah, we'll be looking next week. There are pretty much good news right now. On USG, if we go on Monday, there are two news. On Tuesday, there is one news. Wednesday, another the NFP, not exactly NFP, on non-farm employment changes happening, and what we are expecting. Oh, the forecast pretty bad. It's good for currency means that market has to go up. Gold will go down, but it's going back. So I believe gold will pump. Let's see what this NFE brings to us. ADP and non-NFP is going to be up in next week, and they are pretty much another news also, man. There are good news next week. Unemployment. There's a day they're having every month. Again, there's NFE, unemployment rate, average. So yeah, we will be looking the next week and hope we will find some good trades. Obviously, we only take 3 to 4 trades because we look for some good setup. And yeah, so we will be looking after this news and everything, and hopefully we will get some good trades. New week, new month, new week. So hoping for some new setups, new trades, and yeah, take care everyone. Just don't forget to subscribe, follow, like us on YouTube, Telegram, and Discord, Instagram, TikTok. We are everywhere, even on Twitter, but we have not operated the Twitter properly, which will eventually we will do it in the future. And just follow us. We are building a very good community, a profitable community, not just looking after the green or anything. We are looking after the profitable setup that makes trade profitable with risk reward around 1:2, 1:3. Even we have to go on to 1:4 last week. The trade was 1:3. So they are pretty much good 40 pips TP with a stop loss of just 10 to 12 pips or 15 pips or 20 pips even. So this is good. We are building a good community. So please join us on that. We are going on a live every Monday to Friday. Sometimes it don't happen, so we usually post it on Instagram that no live will be happening. And yeah, so just share with us, get connected with us, so you will get some profitable trades, and just follow us on every platform. Telegram, there are free trades on the Telegram, so you can follow us there. There is nothing paid over here, nothing on live or anything. It's totally free. There will be nothing paid in the future. But hopefully we will look if the community builds and we go in advanced mode. So obviously we have some responsibilities over there, and then we will obviously look after some paid things, which eventually everybody does. So we are not new, or we will say no, we don't do it. Everybody does, including us. We will do it, but mostly our things will be free in the near future. But who are the community which we are building? If around the traders which are from with us right from the starting, so they will be still earning. Even if we go in the paid or anything, they will be coming along on a free. Reasons are we are obviously building, so there's nothing going to be paid in near future, but we will be looking after the maybe when we will build a very good community. We are just building a community, giving a free everything. If you want to learn or anything, you just go on a free. There's nothing paid. In near future, the learning will also be on a free cost. There will be nothing if you want to learn or anything. No mentorship. Everything is free. There will be sessions going on a trading on a weekly time. What if we say that on a weekly zone? Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there, that will be free on live as any question. There will be nothing paid over there. So yeah, it's just we want that everybody should be a trader. They should be known as, yeah, we are good profitable area. We do want a supply demand, and we are from Trade Tribe Hub. That's the community. So yeah, nothing will be paid or anything. So yeah, you can join us on every platform as I have said. So yeah, so take care. Bye bye. See you on Monday on live stream, and have a great weekend. Bye.